What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I've got an early unboxing for you today. First, a word from my sponsor. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He looked up to God. He said, my God, why have you forsaken me? Hebrews 13:5 says that God will never leave us or forsake us. And when I read that, I read it as God is never going to leave me or forsake me, because I trust that Jesus took all the forsaking for me. And that's the best sponsor that I could ever have. So thank you, Jesus. All right, I've got an early unboxing for you today. Oh, right off the bat, I wore this bright blue color. What color did you say this is? Orange?
Coral. Or like salmon, like a...
that's too pink. This is more orange. It's more orange than salmon or pink, but something like that. Yeah. But I wore my biohacks today. Peyton wore her, what are they called? Light. I don't know. All right.
Light, no.
All right, this is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Dark Gray Infrared 23 Black. Infrared 23. Let me get this down really quick.
Infrared?
Because this is the Jordan 4 Green Glow.
Does it glow?
It does not. I think that's what it's called. And this was made in 2013. Between February and May 2013. I got these shoes 5-6 months ago, knowing that these were coming out this year because I wanted to have these. I'll link this video up here. There's also a Shark Slide giveaway video that you need to go watch.
Yes.
And it's going to close on the 14th. And this video is going to come out on the 13th, I think. So you got one more day to go do the Shark Slide video.
What if you made videos at camp?
But here, this is the Green Glow. It's a little bit old. It's a little bit yellow in the air bubble. You see that? Mm-hmm. But we're going to compare this 9-year-old shoe to this brand new infrared. This was also called the Red Glow, but I think it's just called the infrared. All right, I haven't seen this yet, but this is early. This is exclusive access. Miguel got exclusive access. He ooped it over to me today so that I can make this video, and I haven't seen it yet. I'm pretty excited to see it. I've already got all my my raffle entries in, 8 or 10 raffle entries at different stores, and we'll be going full throttle on sneakers for these too. It's very red inside the box. The splatter cement print all over. Flight. This is normal. There's no tag. There's no size tag on this. It's a size 11. There's no size tag. There's no MSRP retail MSRP tag. All right. I'm ready.
Jeez, so aggressive.
I'm ready.
You're ready? Yeah, they look the same, just with
red.
Yeah.
Infrared. So this is the same, I think this is the same, or maybe it's a crimson colored that was on the Thunder Red 4s, but it's a similar kind of red.
Kind of matches your shirt.
This is more red than orange. But this is kind of the same color that was, and it might even be the exact same color. I don't have any more Red Thunders here. I got rid of all my Red Thunders.
No, Red Thunders were darker red.
Darker? Yeah, maybe it just looked like that because it was against black. But you're probably right. But similar to how the not the patent breads, the Red Thunders, we were talking about the patent breads a second ago because we're going to make another video on those. But similar to the way the Red Thunders, the red just wasn't the right color red. Yeah. And a lot of people didn't like it. And a lot of YouTube videos were talking about how there was just something wrong with it. And it was because of the shade of red. I think that's similar with this shoe, but because it's not just black otherwise, it's more tolerable. And I don't like that shade of red, but the shoe overall is great. Great. I don't think Miguel has worn these because of the way that they're laced up, so just glue, not much leather. But this is all nubuck. The nubuck is not live, so there's no. Oh yeah, it is. You can see my thing. It is live, huh?
Is there suede on them?
This is nubuck.
Like, what about the?
This is nubuck. It's all nubuck. So let's see. It's like the exact same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is obviously old and worn. The structure isn't quite here anymore, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get these.
It kind of looks like the ankle hole right here is like a little like smaller, or like.
Yeah, well, I mean, they're not exactly the same, but we're talking about like Okay, this one also has, the old one has darker nubuck.
Yeah.
This is darker, this is lighter. This, all right, you get the green here on the stays, the wings up here, the lace wings like that. On the tongue, you do not get it on this one.
I feel like it would have been cool if they put a little bit of green on the tongue.
Yeah, like this one.
Yeah.
But it is the same tongue otherwise, just not the same colors.
Oh, they have the Jumpman the same color on the bottom.
See, but this is a white Jumpman. This is a red Jumpman. Here we get our green Jumpman and a gray one. So it's not the exact same color
It's like
blocking.
going back and forth.
Kinda. It's not the exact same color blocking, but it's almost. It's pretty much.
Yeah.
And pretty much the same materials. Colors are a little bit, these are just a little bit darker. This is a little bit lighter. All of the colors are a little bit darker, lighter like that. You don't get this, you get green all across the outsole. This is white and gray across the outsole. I think I like this better because you can see this here.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I'd like it with this one because maybe that might be too much of this color that's a little bit off.
Mm-hmm.
And this is all white. It might get a little bit dirtier faster, but this little piece up here of the midsole is black, just like on this one. So they're very, very similar. And this is really clean. I like this one.
Yeah.
Compare this one, Peyton, to the military blacks.
Hey, I'm having to go with those.
Ooh, I think I'm going with this. I like the suede, and this leather's really nice, and this nubuck isn't. It's nice, but it's not nearly as nice as this, in my opinion. You're going with this.
Yeah.
I'm going with this. Man, look at this trio of Jordan 4s.
Trio.
I should probably do this. I should probably do this, yeah. Man, that's a thumbnail right there.
Or if you turn that shoe like a little bit more, like straight, normal. No, that looks weird.
We'll figure that out in a minute. What else can I say about this? It's nice.
Do a squeeze test, or did you already do it?
I don't do it with 4s.
Oh.
4s are all really rigid on the bottom, not like 1s, because there's more stuff through there.
Yeah.
This is not yellowed like this one.
Yeah.
And that happens with age. So I'm glad they redid this. Like this is good color blocking, and like this is a really retro look. What else is it? It's a classic look, I think, this color blocking, and I'm glad they redid it with this. Wish it was a normal color red. Where's a normal color red? I don't have much red, do I? I don't have any red up there.
You do.
There's some down there, but you can't see it yet.
Are you talking about the shoe or just the color red?
The color red on a shoe.
Because I was like, you got a lot of red over there.
So I think that the military, I think there were more, no, there were fewer military blacks. Oh, there's about the same stock. One of them was 10 or 20,000 more than the other, but we're still talking about like 150,000 or so worldwide in all sizes. So I was able to grab, how many of these did I get? 4 or 5?
Yeah.
So,
and the baby ones.
And the baby ones. So I think there should be no problem with me getting my own pair of these. Hopefully we can get the 6.5, because that was one we didn't hit on this. We got no grade schools of these. Hopefully we can get the 6.5 on this one. So here it is. Jordan 4 infrared. This is hitting on Wednesday. They're going to see this video on, I might put it up tomorrow on Sunday, but more likely you're going to see it on Monday. But it's this Wednesday that this is going to drop, and you can try it. Try to grab it on Sneakers is going to be your best bet. Nike Sneakers is going to be your best bet at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. You can also try Hibbett. Foot Locker raffle may still be open by the time you watch this. Hibbett will probably not be. And Finish Line doesn't have any details yet on how they're going to drop this. It might be an in-store raffle, because I think this was an in-store raffle, and I got one of these from my in-store Finish Line raffle. And if it's in-store, I will most likely be able to grab one of these. Hopefully both of them from my Hibbett. I'm sorry, my Finish Line. If it's exclusive access on Finish Line, I probably will also get that too. There were some dunks that dropped exclusive access the other day. Little kids dunks, so nothing I was interested in getting. And I got exclusive access to those, but I didn't get them. Another thing, after holding this for a minute, I didn't take the other one out, but like there's pretty much no blemishes on this shoe.
No
it's like
what?
nearly perfect. No blemishes. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no glue all over the place. There's no scuffs in this nubuck. This nubuck, this kind of nubuck is probably the kind of material that'll scuff pretty easily, and there's nothing. It's like perfect. So they did a good job with this one. I'm liking it. But you're rank them 1, 2, 3. This is 1. Which one's second?
I don't know. After seeing this one a lot, kind of, it's either like, I'm gonna have to say that 1, 2, and 3. 1? Mm-hmm.
This is now 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
Man, seeing this with these,
it looks weird.
I don't like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks really weird. It's too white. I think that's what it is. It's just too white. But anyways, thanks for the support, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks that you made it this far through the video. Like I said, there's a Shark Slide video, or Shark Slide giveaway video that's open. You've only got a couple more days to get into that. 2,000 sub giveaway is going to be happening really soon. And Grandma Daisy Chung, I think is her name. And when I think of Daisy Chung, I tried to get this video so that I could splice it in here, but I couldn't find anywhere that I could download it. And when I think of Daisy Chung, I don't know anything about the way you look or anything like that, but you're grandma. And I picture Miss Ho that lived next door to Day Day on next Friday. So there are some YouTube videos of it. You can watch those to see Miss Ho. She was just like the cool grandma neighbor. So I think that's what I think of. So Miss Chung's back though. Shit, she commented on like 20 videos today.
Wow.
Yeah. So somebody commented today on the Cinder, the Yeezy 450 Cinder video. The reason why I want people to be interactive with my videos and watch them all is the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube likes it when you watch the whole thing, because it thinks you really liked it. And if you really liked it, that means hopefully somebody else will like it, so they'll show it to more people. They'll suggest it to more people. So that's why my most valuable sub I'm awarding for somebody like that. And X has been like right up there on every single one of the videos right away, and I like those comments better because you're commenting them like right when the video comes out, so you're like anticipating it. And I know that all my videos get a whole lot more views within the first 24 hours, and then they kind of trail off. Other than Haley's slide video has 18,000 views now.
Jeez.
Yeah, and for some reason that video's making twice as much money as any other video, like per view. I don't know what it is. So if y'all know or if y'all know why that might be happening, the only thing I can think of is that a lot of people, it's not a lot. It's like 18% of people are coming from Google search. It looks like probably Google search to find it. So maybe it's bringing people from outside of YouTube onto YouTube. Maybe the whatever the payout, what the revenue is for that pays out more. I don't know, but it's definitely doing something different. So anyways, watching them up right when they come out, I appreciate more. But thanks, Grandma, for going back and watching all those other videos. Daisy Chung, Miss Chung, Grandma, not my mom. I call my mom Grandma. So, but she's rivaling you, X. So watch out. Anyways, tell your grandma about these shoes if your grandma isn't watching. I think this could be a grandma shoe. But I mean, Grandma said she likes them. Really? Yeah, my mom. She said she likes them. And she especially likes these. Yeah. Yeah. But she doesn't like them for herself because 4s are too high. Plus, this bothers me a little bit on the back of my heel, so.
You need to get her some tall, like, grandma socks.
Yeah, maybe. But it's also just hard to get on. High tops are harder to get on. Yeah. Low tops you can just slip on. Thanks for being here. Tell your grandma, smash that like button, comment down below, tell me what you think about the infrareds. Are you going to go for these or not? Miguel was lucky enough to get them early. Let's smash the like button. Yeah. And, but he was lucky enough to get these early and open them over to me. Thanks, Miguel. I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.